Manitoba just had one of the craziest blizzards of this winter. It shut down all of southern Manitoba and caused chaos on the highways, with several car pileups, one even reported with 50 vehicles being involved. Welcome back to Mamba Ranch, everyone. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. It will be more of a POV video of what the storm was like on our farm in southern Manitoba as we take you along during the chores and animal checks.
Are they okay? Oh no! How?
Before we get into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop on my future videos and content. Thanks for watching, everyone. Let's get to the video.
on, I have to go. Oh, nice. Deep, shin deep snow. Whoops, lost my rope. Oh, oh, it doesn't stop. Come on. Oh. Hi, Jerry. Oh, this is not fun. Hey, kittens. Just give me a minute. Oh, I'm okay. I'm okay. Oh, and butthole. That's nice. Don't I just look? Oh, that's really bright. It's a little better. Don't I just look lovely? There we go. Look at my nice chest rig. How cool is that? I hope this video turns out. See? Now we're gonna feed the barn animals. The barnimals. As you can see, they're very hungry. Very upset with me. Hi. Hi. What is that on my chest, hey? What's the other rabbits are doing? Hi, Bun-Buns. Hi. You guys hungry babies? You still got some hay left. Yeah. You guys hungry? Are you guys hungry little babies? Hi. Hi. Oh, you're so cute. Alrighty. Let's go. Feed Timmy. Enjoy, Timmy. What the hell? This is my knee height. This is up to my knee. What the heck? Oh, you waited for me. Oh, cute puppies. They're so excited to see me. Oh, the babies. Oh, babies. Oh, hi. I was only gone a few minutes. Go, babies. You guys want outside? Drop the bone. Crazy out here? What? Go pee-pees! They're like, what the heck? No way. Drop it. Oh my god. Whoops. Okay, drop it. Drop it. Drop. Aw, he's got it all set up for me. Oh, my fingies are cold. I know. Oh, hi, Harvey. Howie. Hey, dude. You cold or what? Hey, dude. They okay? Oh no! Ow! I don't understand how. This is a crappy day, hey? Yeah. I'm sorry. You see all the little feet? I'm sorry. Here. Oh, these are rock solid. Okay. Bring you guys some fresh water.
thank you everyone for watching. I hope you all stay safe and cozy for the rest of the winter, especially if you live in Manitoba. Don't forget to subscribe to help my channel grow, and don't forget to check out our other videos as well. We'll see you next time.